EBSCO resources I find on the library webpage under the Database tab. After logging into EBSCOhost platform, I can choose the databases which I want to search. I write my search term in the search box. I'm interested in full-text articles, so I limit my results using full-text facet on the column on the left side. I can limit also the date of publication, the last 4 years. I can choose the language. After choosing the article that I'm interested in, I can download the article, print it, or save to my Google Drive account. I can save the bibliographic data in few formats, or export this to the reference management software as Zotero or Mendeley. After saving the article to the folder and signing into my individual EBSCO account, I have access to all my materials during my future sessions.